You've just heard from women who grew from the Girl Scout leadership experience. Years may have passed since they recited the Girl Scout promise, but the values and lessons they've learned are timeless. Every day, someone in our community is benefiting from the lessons these women learned in Girl Scouting because they continue to commit themselves to make a difference. Being a Girl Scout builds character. It helps to build self-esteem, to know that you can be anything you want to be. And as an anchor woman for Wavy TV 10, one of the top-rated news teams in Hampton Roads, I can tell you from personal experience how important it is to have integrity, character, and self-esteem. People depend on my words every day, and that means I have to show myself strong. My parents always taught me that a first impression is a lasting impression, so I learned to do it right the first time so I don't have to go back and do it again. I also learned to be a confident leader, and that's what Girl Scouting teaches. How to make a difference in all that you do. You learn to build courage, confidence, and character. What you learn in Girl Scouting will stay with you for the rest of your life. We tell girls in fashion magazines and through online ads how to dress, tips on makeup, and what's fashionable for this season. But what messages should we be giving? What will impact her life and build her self-confidence? We can change the way a girl looks, or we can change the way she looks at the world. The choice is ours. Girl Scouts, girls who do great things. Give your time today and change a life, because changing a life is forever.